Hello.
Hello.
Tell
How are
me,
you today?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm from Bangladesh.
Great. Tell me, how many lessons have you done with Cambly?
I'm using Cambly last 6 months.
For the last 6 months, okay? For the last 6 months.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
Today, I have a few questions to you.
yeah. Mm-hmm.
How much freedom do you usually have?
How much free time do I have? Maybe a few hours every day. Mm-hmm. Would you
Yeah.
like to talk about your daily routine, perhaps? Okay. So I'll just ask you a couple of questions. Do you prefer to go to bed late or wake up early?
I always prefer to wake up early.
Good. What time do you leave the house? So, what time do you leave the house?
I leave my house 7:30 a.m.
I leave my house at 7:30 a.m. Okay? I leave my house at 7:30 a.m. Okay. What time do you come home?
I go home at 6 p.m.
Excellent. So, what time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up 6 a.m.
Very good. What time do you usually leave the house or leave home? What time do you usually leave home?
I usually leave home
Mm-hmm.
7 to 7:30.
Very good. What time do you usually come home?
Usually
Mm-hmm.
come home
Mm-hmm.
6 to 7 p.m.
Good. Who usually cooks dinner?
My wife
Usually
usually cooks dinner.
cooks. Okay. What time do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed
Mm-hmm.
in average 10 to 12.
Excellent. So, where do you spend most of your time?
I spend most of the day with my coworkers.
Excellent. Really good. Okay. So, when you leave home, how do you usually travel?
What about you?
I usually walk. Lovely to meet you.